The anticipation for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is reaching fever pitch, and it's easy to see why. Amidst the swirling rumors and leaks, the possibility of a major camera upgrade is what's capturing everyone's attention. According to sources like TechRadar and the ever-buzzing tech forums on XDA developers, the Z Fold 6 might be borrowing some of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera prowess. Imagine the Z Fold 6 sporting a groundbreaking 200-megapixel main camera, a significant step up from the Z Fold 5's 50-megapixel setup. This isn't just about the increase in megapixels, it's the promise of larger sensors that can capture more light, delivering those sought-after bokeh effects in photos, making every shot look professional. However, incorporating such advanced camera technology into a foldable device presents its own set of challenges, especially considering the constraints around battery space and the overall form factor. Despite these concerns, the excitement is palpable, especially with competitors like the OnePlus Open and Google Pixel Fold already making waves with their innovative designs. With the Z Fold 6 rumored to feature not only an enhanced camera system but also a wider display and an even more refined design, Samsung is set to raise the bar even higher. The Z Fold 5's display is already impressive, so any improvements in this area will surely be the icing on the cake. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on these rumored upgrades for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. How do you think these changes will impact the foldable phone market? Do you believe the enhanced camera and display will set a new standard for foldables? Drop your predictions and opinions in the comments below, and let's dive deeper into this exciting topic. The anticipation for the official announcement is electric, and I can't wait to discuss all the details with you as they unfold.